Imagine waking up every day not just to a high paying tech job, but to a career that puts you at the forefront of AI, cybersecurity, and cloud innovation. A career where companies are practically fighting to hire you, offering high salaries and insane growth opportunities. Sounds unreal? It's not. In 2025, the demand for top tech talent is reaching an all time high. And if you know where to look, you can land one of the hottest, best paying jobs in the industry. If you are serious about securing your future and making big moves in tech, you are in the right place. Today, we are breaking down the top 10 highest paying tech jobs of 2025. And trust me, you don't want to miss this. Hi, I'm Jyoti Pandey, and we are here to help you build a successful and high paying career in tech in 2025. Before we dive in, hit that like button and subscribe if you want the latest career insights and guidance at every step of your journey. Okay, so let's dive in. Big tech is betting on AI. Google, Microsoft, and OpenAI are pouring billions into AI research, and they need top tier talent to build, scale, and optimize their models. That's why AI ML architects are commanding some of the highest salaries in tech. What do? They design, oversee, and fine tune machine learning models that power everything from Netflix recommendation to financial fraud detection. If you want to break into this field, coding isn't enough. You need deep expertise in AI frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Scikit-learn, plus a strong foundation in deep learning, neural networks, and model optimization. Amazon, Meta, and Tesla process petabytes of data daily, and they need engineers who can build high-performance systems to store, process, and analyze it effectively. Big data engineers design and optimize data pipelines, ensuring businesses can extract actionable insights from massive datasets. Whether it's predicting user behavior, optimizing supply chains, or training AI models, these engineers make sure companies have right data at the right time in the right format. You need expertise in Python, SQL, and distributed computing tools like Apache Spark and Hadoop. Cloud platforms like AWS, GCP, and Azure are also essential since modern data infrastructure rely heavily on cloud computing. Quantum computing is set to revolutionize industries. With companies like IBM and Google racing to achieve quantum supremacy, the demand for developers who understand quantum mechanics and algorithms is skyrocketing. Quantum computing is still early stage, meaning the talent pool is small, and that's an opportunity. Learn quantum programming languages like Qiskit, Cirq, and Pennyling. Master the fundamentals of quantum gate circuits and algorithm. Get hands-on experience with IBM's Quantum Experience. Take online courses from MIT, Stanford, or IBM's Quantum. And don't forget to contribute to open source quantum computing projects on GitHub. 90% of enterprises now use cloud services, and the need for scalable, secure, and cost-effective cloud solutions has never been greater. Cloud architects are the strategists and builders behind cloud environments, responsible for migrating on-premises system to cloud, ensuring security, optimizing cost, and enabling scalability. To stand out, master both cloud fundamental and platform-specific tools. Learn cloud computing essentials, networking, storage, security, and cost optimization. Get hands-on experience with AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Master infrastructure as code tools like Terraform and AWS CloudFormation, and develop expertise in cloud security, Kubernetes, and containerization. Ever wondered how Google, Netflix, or Amazon maintain 99% of uptime? That's the work of site reliability engineers, the unsung heroes ensuring that websites and applications run smoothly 24/7. SREs blend software engineering with IT operations, using automation to prevent downtime and improve system performance. The demand for SREs has exploded as companies rely more on cloud-based services. To succeed as an SRE, you need a mix of coding skills and deep infrastructure knowledge, mastering scripting and automation with Python, Go, and Bash. Learn cloud platforms like AWS, GCP, and Azure, and monitoring tools like Prometheus and Grafana. Understand incident management and troubleshooting. Google's SRE books are a goldmine for insights. As companies expand their digital presence, they need network architects to design and secure high performance networks that can handle increasing data traffic. Whether it's setting up cloud based networks or optimizing data centers, network architects are in high demand at financial institutions, telecom giants, and tech companies. To become a network architect, you'll need a mix of technical expertise and strategic thinking. If you are interested, start by gaining certification like Cisco CCNP and AWS Advanced Networking. Develop cybersecurity expertise. Network security is now a must-have skill. A TMP is a strategist and problem solver who ensures that large-scale tech projects stay on track, on budget, and aligned with business goals. They do not just manage schedules, they align cross-functional teams, mitigate risk, and drive execution for AI, cloud, and software engineering initiatives. With companies launching large-scale AI and cloud initiatives, TMPs are now more crucial than ever. This role requires a mix of technical knowledge, leadership skills, and business strategy. To get started, develop expertise in agile project management, cloud computing, and data analytics. Earning a PMP or AWS certified cloud practitioner certification can give you a head start. Cyber attacks are increasing at an alarming rate, making information security analysts one of the most in-demand professionals in tech. These specialists protect organizations from data breaches, phishing attacks, and ransomware threats. Banks, government agencies, and Fortune 500 companies are investing heavily in cybersecurity talent. To break into this field, start learning ethical hacking on TryHackMe or Hack the Box. Certifications like CISSP, CompTIA Security Plus, or CEH will make you stand out. The metaverse might not have just taken over yet, but extended reality developers are building the future of virtual and augmented reality. From VR gaming to AR enhanced shopping experiences, the demand for XR developers is soaring as industries experiment with immersive technology. If you are excited about XR, start by learning Unity, Unreal Engine, and 3D modeling tools like Blender. Taking courses on XR development on platforms like Udemy or Coursera can help you land a high-paying job in this growing field. As AI and automation became mainstream, companies need specialists who can design seamless interaction between humans and machines. That's where HCI specialists come in. These professionals ensure that AI chatbots, voice assistants, and smart devices feel natural and intuitive to use. Tech giants like Apple, Google, and Tesla are hiring HCI experts to improve user experience across various platforms. If you want to enter this field, focus on learning UX UI design, psychology, and human-centered computing. A degree in HCI or certification in UX design can significantly boost your chances. And there you have it, top 10 highest paying in-demand tech jobs of 2025. Which job caught your eye the most? Let us know in the comments. If this video gave you any new career ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with a friend who is looking to break into tech. Stay tuned for more career-changing insights, and we'll see you in the next one.